In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and delete the Grammarly browser extension. Whether you're looking to enhance your writing with Grammarly's helpful suggestions or clean up your browser by uninstalling it, I've got you covered in this step-by-step guide. Let's start with how to install the Grammarly extension. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, whatever you're using most often. Once you have your browser open, you need to head over to the browser's extension or add-on store. So for instance, if you're using Chrome, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Grammarly. You'll be looking for the extension titled Grammarly AI Writing Assistant and Grammar Checker. Click on this, and it will take you to the extension's store page. Once you're on the store page, look for the button that says Add to Browser or Install. For those of you using Chrome, it will specifically say Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click that button. After clicking, you'll likely see some prompts appearing on your screen. These prompts are asking for your permission to add the extension to your browser, so make sure to confirm these to proceed with the installation. Now, when the installation is complete, you should see the Grammarly icon appear in your browser toolbar. It looks like a letter G and is pretty easy to spot. At this point, you have the option to click on this icon and sign in with your Grammarly account. Signing in will activate the extension, allowing it to start giving you writing suggestions, which is the whole point of adding it, right? It's essential to ensure that the extension is indeed enabled and active. Sometimes, especially with Safari, you might need to specifically enable the extension for all websites to start seeing suggestions across the board. Moving on, if you decide that you no longer need Grammarly's assistance and want to delete it, the process is straightforward. Let's say you're using Chrome, but keep in mind it's quite similar in other browsers as well. Start by clicking the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of your browser, then navigate to More Tools and select Extensions. Alternatively, you can directly go to Chrome/Extensions in the address bar. Here, you'll find a list of all installed extensions. Locate Grammarly AI Writing Assistant and Grammar Checker in that list. You'll notice a Remove button right next to it. Click the Remove button and, when prompted, confirm your choice. And just like that, the extension will be removed. Remember to refresh any open tabs where Grammarly was active to ensure it is fully inactive. Now, if you're not entirely sure about removing it completely and just want a break from it, you can also disable it temporarily. Simply right-click the Grammarly icon in your toolbar, select Manage Extension, and toggle the switch to Off. This way, Grammarly stays installed but inactive, maintaining your preferences without cluttering your toolbar. And there you have it, a straightforward tutorial on installing and removing the Grammarly extension.